What is the maximum takeoff weight of the A-350? A. 275 tons. B. 2,750 tons. C. 3,000 tons. D. 300 tons. The correct answer is 275 tons. What is the wing sweep angle of the A350 at a Mach 0.85 cruise speed? A. 0.319 degrees. B. 319 degrees. C. 31.9 degrees. D. 3.19 degrees. The correct answer is 31.9 degrees. Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engine generates a maximum thrust of A. 9700 lbf, B. 97000 lbf, C. 970 lbf, D. 97000 lbf. The correct answer is 97000 lbf. Which of the following supplies the auxiliary power unit for the A350? A. General Electric, B. Honeywell, C. BMW, D. Tesla. The correct answer is Honeywell. Which of the following is not an operator of the A350? A. Indigo, B. Finnair, C. Iberia, D. Air China. The correct answer is Indigo. The A350 XWB is a range aircraft. A. Long, B. Medium, C. Short, D. Regional. The correct answer is long. What is the maximum operating speed of the A350? A. Mach 0.89, B. Mach 0.089, C. Mach 8.9, D. Mach 89. The correct answer is Mach 0.89. Which of the following was the launch operator of the A350-900? A. Air Canada, B. Air Asia, C. Qatar Airways, D. Etihad Airways. The correct answer is Qatar Airways. The world's longest flight between Singapore Changi and Newark International Airport is operated by which of the following airlines? A. Lufthansa, B. Etihad Airways, C. Singapore Airlines, D. American Airlines. The correct answer is Singapore Airlines. Which of the following is the launch customer of the A350-900 ULR? A. Qatar Airways, B. Singapore Airlines, C. Vistara, D. Emirates. The correct answer is Singapore Airlines. What is the full form of ULR? A. Ultra Light Reach, B. Ultra Long Reach, C. Ultra Light Range, D. Ultra Long Range. The correct answer is Ultra Long Range. Engine thrust reversers for the A350 are supplied by which of the following? A. Microsoft, B. Tesla, C. Suzuki, D. UTC Aerospace Systems. The correct answer is UTC Aerospace Systems. What is the full form of XWB? A. Extra wide body, B. Extra width body, C. Extra wide body, D. Extra widened body. The correct answer is extra wide body. A-350 is derived from the A350-900 ULR. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. The A350 was launched in 2006 with entry into service planned for 2013. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true.